Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Equipment Remarketing. I'm going to give you a nice video of this brand new 2021 Gehl R165. It comes with a extended warranty, so you get a 1-year factory warranty, then an additional 1-year extended warranty. 2,000 hours total warranty, ladies and gentlemen. That comes with this unit. It will lift 1,800 pounds. It is 69 horsepower. This thing has cab, heat, and air. It is sitting here tall and sitting here new, ladies and gentlemen. So just go ahead and give us a call at 260-238-4998. It also comes with a bucket. Take a look at your quick attach here, ladies and gentlemen. We also have a full cab. Brand spanking new. When it's cold out, you got heat. When it's hot out, you got air conditioning. Now we're going to go ahead and fire it up. You can give us a call at 260-238-4998. Hear that baby come to life. This is just the unit you need, compact and powerful. Look how nice and high it lifts. Beautiful, powerful machine, brand new. Now, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for checking this out. Show you the knee-deep rubber here. We have hand controls, ladies and gentlemen. Everything you need to make money. Check us out on the web also, 99lifts.com, 99lifts.com.